guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a pair of working shoes from a subscriber to do the unboxing and a quick review. After that we'll send back to him. This is the Engelbert Strauss Baham 2 Low. Well-known brand. S1 safety shoe. Okay, let's dig in and see what is in the box. BOA system, low shoe. So let's take it out. So the boots, some more, and some instructions. Okay, let's get rid of the box. So that's the boot. It's a steel toe cap, as I said. The shoe weighs around 470 grams each, so that's not so much. The price tag is 90 euros. So, BOA system. So this is the shoe. Looks good. Black color to put on and on. Straps. It looks good. So the upper material, it looks kind of waterproof. They claim is breathable. Not saying they are waterproof, but it looks like that. BOA system for a quick release. So quick on and off, how I said, together with the pull straps. Great. On the front, there is a protection, extra protection against rip off. Not sure what the material is. Looks like leather, but it's not. Rubber, I guess. Yeah. Non-slip outsole. Hard, not soft. Rubber sole. The midsole is EVA sole. Anti-static, fuel resistant, heat resistant up to 200 degrees Celsius. That's a lot. It runs a bit too big, so half size down at least. Yeah, generally safety shoes are running a bit big than regular shoes. This is number 44. Let's take the soles out. I think you can remove. Okay. That's the insoles, removable, if you want to replace them. If they are worn off or something. Looks weird. It's black underneath. Not sure why. Engelbert Strauss 44. Thin. Comfortable though. When you wear it. Soft. But that's why also because of the EVA midsole. So it adds some cushioning on the shoe. Yeah, to conclude, it's a light shoe, comfortable, although it's a bit hard on the heel, so it might bother you a bit, but I guess only in the beginning. Once you start wearing it, it'll be just fine, I guess. And that's because of the leather is the place here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the back, that's leather, and leather is hard, so otherwise, have nothing else negative to say. Lacing system perfect, midsole great, sole not tested but looks good. Perfect to work indoors, I guess, not for outside. Yeah, personally I prefer mid or high shoes, type of boots. There is indeed a version of that shoe in a medium size, medium high, so you can go for that one, and the price is around 110 euros, a bit more, so 20 euros more than this version. Yeah, that's the shoe. Those are some kind of instructions and information about the shoe. Yeah, that was it. That was the shoe. Working boots. Yeah, thanks to Slavek. He sent us the boots to make a quick video and unboxing and quick review. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.